How to log in Nova Home Loans mortgage account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Nova Home Loans mortgage account. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now, tap on the search bar. Here, you want to search for Nova Home Loans. Here, you want to tap on this login option. Once you tap on this, it will directly take you to the login portal of Nova Home. Here, you will have to enter some of your credentials. Start by entering your email address. Once you have entered that, on the second box, you want to enter your password. Now tap on the login option. If your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password option. Now you will have to enter your email address here. Simply type that in and then tap on the forgot password option. Now, an email will be sent to your email address. You simply want to click on that link and then you will be able to reset your password from there. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.